Kha Gai soup, Thai coconut chicken soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, half of 1 onion sliced, 2 cloves garlic chopped, half of 1 red jalapeno pepper sliced, or a couple Thai chilies, halved, 3 1/4 inch slices galangal or ginger, 1 lemongrass stalk pounded with the side of a knife and cut into 2-inch long pieces, 2 teaspoons red Thai curry paste, 4 cups chicken broth. See notes if vegan or on Whole30. 4 cups canned coconut cream or coconut milk. See notes. 2 medium chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces. See notes for vegan, vegetarian or to use shrimp. 8 ounces white mushroom caps sliced. 2 tablespoons coconut sugar if on Whole30. See notes. 1 2 tablespoons fish sauce plus more to taste. See notes if on Whole30 or vegan. 3 tablespoons fresh lime juice. 3 green onions sliced thin. Fresh cilantro chopped, for garnish. Directions: in a medium pot, heat the coconut oil over medium heat. Add the onion, garlic, jalapeno or chili, galangal or ginger, lemongrass, and red curry paste and cook, stirring frequently, for 5 minutes, or until onions are softened. Add chicken broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer uncovered for 30 minutes. Sauté aromatics, then add chicken stock and simmer. Strain out the aromatics, the garlic, onions, lemongrass, and ginger, and discard. Add in coconut cream or milk, chicken breast, or tofu or shrimp, and mushrooms. Simmer until chicken breast pieces are just cooked through, then add fish sauce, coconut aminos, or coconut sugar, and lime juice, plus more of each to taste. Simmer chicken, mushrooms, and coconut milk. Cook 2 minutes, then ladle into serving bowls and top with sliced green onions and fresh cilantro.